I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I do right all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. In my heart, my mind, and my body.
When's that man?
And I can put you in. I can put you in. Hop in her, throw up the sex in her.
Excitement.
And I can put you in. I can put you in. City from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me. I don't care what frat you was in, you can't out for me. Keep dreaming, pineapple juice, I give a sweet. I know what they like, so I just keep cheesing. Hard drive full of heat seeking. Tryna come the same day as Jack, rethinking. You don't need Givenchy, you need Jesus. Why do y'all sleep on me? I need reasons. I got Plex in the mail peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers, making sure I receive it. You could do it too, believe it. I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. Yes, I am. They say you a superstar, now damn, I guess I am. You might be the man, well that's unless I am. Okay, I'll confess I am. Go ahead and get undressed, I am. Okay.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic and we turn it back to real. I'm because it's love. Hold you for life.
Later.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment hold you for life.
Look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, decide what I want. Just some me time. Hope you know what you want. By the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitches did it to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime.
Morning, my loves. I hope you are doing well. Welcome, darlings, to my YouTube channel. Today is Sunday. I am going to church. I am so late for church, guys. I am so late. Nangon tata my chance. Maybe it's not chika pa, but senenhlonzo chika. Ndivuke early, da followisha abantu be comrades marathon, danalo hype, da cleaner. I was like, I'm ndilungise ndibheke ecaweni. Now ndalahla isitixo semoto ndisifumene finally kunendikhangela ndisifumene. So I also made an appointment to my nail tech. So xa ndiphuma khona le ndizobheka look at this mess. Oko ndandithutha. Like this is the results move on unpacking, but ke zindala anyway. so I am due for maintenance. So yeah, let's go to church. Ndimbi and like ndirongo nje izinto zami andikazifumani kakuhle zonke. I'm like, if ndiphinde impahla zase-wardrobe-ini, I don't see any reason why ndingakhuphi into yonxiba ndibeke ecaweni, because the nice thing is that ndimuvele back to the area where my old church is. So ndibheka khona ngoku. I am so late. Kudala ndigqibele khona. I hope ndizafike ndibhalise ndizinikele ndijoin, so that Sundays are for church. Yeah, let's go. So guys, ndisandamisa becaweni. Oh, andisoyiki, andisonantloni ungena sana. Zange ndagqibela nini ukuza apha. I'm an hour late, a whole hour. Kanjani? Ndiqala uza. Ndinantloni, ndiyaculwa. Ndichophisile. Ndathi ka ndidlula bam. Qhufu amavakala. Mandi kumculo, mandibaleke ndiyi. guys, ndiphuma icawe 2:30. So ndifumene i-2 hours and 30 minutes yonke. I think it was a good thing that I was late, because wow, yeah, andiyazi noba ndim ndedwa nawe ufila kanje, but icawe engasithethe i-hour. Simamele ilizwi esicule gqiba sigoduke, sithandaze sigoduke. Then it was very nice. I enjoyed it. Like, yo, kuyashunyayelwa apha. Kuyashunyayelwa apha. Ibhadlile into ebishunyayelwa apha. Ingathi bethetha nami la sisi. Ide ndaya kuye ndathi ndiyazinikela. Salary reforms. Never mind, amaziba wam aron. Salary reforms. Buya nazo next week. Bye.
Maybe you don't know what you do to me, between me and you. I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give can't be replaced. So no one else can do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on